If you've ever struggled with making passive income online, you're in the right place because today I'm going to share with you exactly how you can get paid to review Amazon products. I'm not talking about free items for reviews. I'm talking about thousands of dollars for simple 1-minute unedited phone videos. I struggled for years and nothing really worked for me for a long time, but 7 months ago that all changed when my business mentor Arent told me about the Amazon Influencer Program. The past 30 days we have made $22,946.92 with simple 1-minute unedited phone videos. Sounds like a scam and pretty fake, right? If I were you, I would probably think the same thing, so here's proof. You can see the past 30 days, on the low end, we made $218 a day, and on an amazing day, we made $1,198. We're averaging about $17K a month for just 7 months in, which, as someone who used to wait tables and my husband was a sugarcane farmer making $400 a week, this is hard for us to even believe. This side hustle has literally changed our life, and instead of gatekeeping, charging you thousands for this info, or just keeping it a secret to create less competition for ourselves, today I'm going to share with you how it has the power to change your entire life. By the end of this video, you're going to know how to get approved, how to make your first 1K within 30 days of being approved, and I'll even share the secrets of a $5.8 million Amazon seller that has helped our family make $77K in only 4.5 months. And stay tuned until the end, where I'll share 3 free websites that will send you free Amazon items to review so that you can make thousands a month reviewing Amazon products. If this still sounds too good to be true, check out these 11 testimonials from our clients, like Diamond, who just made $418 in 1 day just 2 months after starting. Cameron was our first student to make $500 in a single day just 3 months in. He struggled to get approved for 2 months, and he's proof if you don't quit, you can't fail. Whitney made $762 in her first 2.5 weeks reviewing products, and Liz made $1,379 in the past 30 days. Check out these testimonials because we have helped 916 people get paid to review Amazon products without any experience, just hard work and a positive attitude. If this doesn't convince you this is real, I don't know what will. I'm Morgan Rainey, but you can call me Lil Mo, and I've taught normal, hardworking people who are sick of trading their time for money and making their boss rich how to get over fear and start making money online with no experience. And today, I'm sharing exactly how you can get paid to review products with a brand new way to make money on Amazon using the Amazon Influencer Program. If you want to make an extra $1,000 a month, smash that thumbs up, and if you want to bless the people you love with things they could never give you, comment, review me. Why do you help people make money online? Well, here's what happened. Ma'am, have you been drinking? That's what the officer asked me at 9 a.m. I was sober, but I burst into tears. My Dodge Neon wouldn't go faster than 30 miles an hour on the interstate. I had 67 more miles to go. As someone living paycheck to paycheck with no savings, I couldn't afford another car issue. I was losing sleep over how to make it to both my jobs and school without a car. My papa was a mechanic and willing to help. Most people don't have that, so I was lucky. I never wanted to feel this vulnerable ever again. That day I decided to do whatever it takes to become financially free. This is why I am so passionate about helping you make money online. Money may not buy happiness, but it can fix most of your problems. I'm on a mission to help you become financially free because life is way too short to be stressed about money. So now that you know my reason why, I'd love to hear, why do you want to make money online in the comments? Here's what other Amazon reviewers aren't telling you. Don't let the word influencer fool you. You don't need thousands of followers to get approved or any social media experience at all, actually. Amazon doesn't really care about how many followers you have. Check out Sandy's results.
I got approved in 3 days. 3 days, that's all it took. My TikTok blew up with the help of Morgan and Brooke. Their program really does work. And it took some time, but I got approved for my videos. My 3 hard-earned videos. Guess what? I'm reviewing like crazy.
We help you from scratch. We've actually helped people with only 87 followers get approved, like...
Oh, thank you for believing me and encouraging me and pushing me. This is the greatest gift today. Like, I can't believe this has just happened. I love you you. Thank you for everything.
She was so nervous her accent would stop her from getting approved, but she's actually joined our team Accent in our group that is making bank as Amazon reviewers. I told her if my country accent can make money, people will love hearing yours. The best part is you don't have to show your face if you don't want to. You just need to follow our simple strategy that has gotten hundreds of our clients approved. We even helped Dawn, who had never been on social media, get 1.8 million views with no experience. You can use Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram to get approved. The key is to get engagement. As someone who was terrified to make videos but went from 0 followers to 650K in just a year and a half, we share step-by-step exactly how you can replicate this process, and our average client is getting approved for Amazon Influencer in about a week. Anybody can do what we teach regardless of your age or experience. Of course, our strategy only works if you do. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make them drink. It's a 3-step approval process. The first step is getting approved for Amazon Influencer. Then you need to make 3 video reviews. Once you post them, they have to get published, which is a second step and takes about 12 hours once you post them. And then finally, you need approval for OnSite video commission. What the is that? I'm so glad you asked. It's how you make money when somebody is shopping on Amazon or anywhere online and your video pops up. If they watch it for 30 seconds, then they buy the product, you get paid. Don't you dare make this mistake. Only upload your 3 videos and wait until this pops up saying you got approved for OnSite commission, AKA the Holy Grail, baby. It looks like this. It used to take 100 days to get approved, but now it's down to about 1 week or less. Thank goodness, because I ain't got no patience, because I ain't no doctor. You need to make sure you follow Amazon's rules because it's their world and we're just lucky to be invited to it. No kids, no medical claims or advice, no alcohol, no external links, don't mention prices, no private info, no bad words. Well,
stop acting like you know the way ahead, like you know the rules. There are no rules, man. We're lost.
Make sure you check out all the rules before you make your videos to save yourself time and heartache. Make sure that you would actually watch your video for 30 seconds. If you want it, you probably won't get approved. You want it to be engaging, and if you need more help or tips and tricks, we have a private Facebook group for all of our clients where you can upload your videos to get feedback and see hundreds of examples of approved videos. Just head to cageadventuresmo.com/reviewme and we're gonna give you the 11 best products to review for free, and you can learn how you can get started. Here's how it works. You upload your first 3 videos from a computer and in 12 hours, they're gonna get published. Y'all better take this seriously because it's like baseball. You only get 3 strikes and you're out. So you better make them good, but not too good because they might deny them if they have lots of edits and look like an ad. Just look like yourself because you are pretty good looking. How do you record videos, you might ask? Y'all, I use my iPhone, not my professional YouTube camera. Amazon customers don't want your videos to look like you're an actor or a pro reviewer. They want you to sound natural, like your mama asks, "Baby, where'd you get that new soap?" And you're just telling her because you love her and you also love your new soap. Follow the KISS method. Keep it simple, stupid. Here's 3 things you need to review products. I'm gonna link them below for you. You need a ring light. I don't actually use the ring part. I like this one because it goes up and down. It could go vertical or horizontal. You also want a mic so you sound good without a lot of echoes. I have this fancy one because I'm a full-time content creator, but a cheap one like this is totally fine, y'all. And you're also gonna need some Amazon products. I would just start with the hundreds of products that you already have at your house. Once you submit good videos, companies are gonna contact you every day offering to pay you and send you products to review. Make sure your videos are helpful. Why did you buy it? How does it work? What do you wish you knew about it when you first got it? Now, if you want to make your first 1K on Amazon, do this. You want to start with home and outdoor products because these pay the best. I want you to start reviewing each item that is for sale on Amazon. You don't have to have bought it on Amazon. They just have to be sold on Amazon. And of course, you have to physically have them to review them. If you're a minimalist and don't have stuff, that's okay. Just ask your friends, your family, and even your neighbors. Offer your mom friends one night of childcare so that they can enjoy themselves in exchange for you reviewing their products. Heck, you should offer them that anyways because moms need a break, am I right? You can add a thumbnail if you want more people to click your videos. If you use marketing in your titles, you will probably get more clicks. Here are 3 examples for you. How it works, then insert the product name, standout features of product name, real customer review of product name. Finally, let's talk about how you can take your business to the next level. Here's how we went from making $4 a day just 7 months ago to making almost $1,200 a day. If you treat this like a hobby, it's gonna pay you like a hobby. If you treat it like a business, it's gonna pay you like a business. You wanna do at least 5 video reviews a day, but a lot of people focus on how many videos people have done. That's all wrong. You need to focus on the quality of the items, how many they sell, competition, and how much the category pays out. I failed algebra in high school, but I consider myself pretty street smart growing up broke in a trailer park with a single mom. I use data and analytics to make all of my decisions. I share our exact method for picking products with all of our students, so y'all head to the first link in my description if you want to make 1K plus in your first 30 days reviewing items. If you find this video helpful, let me know by subscribing and commenting below. My husband Brooke and I will do our best to answer as many of your questions as we can if you drop them in the comments below. How exactly do you look at the video competition? Well, you just look at the Amazon listings and you can see how many they have. Real popular items like a ring light, computers, Keurig, they're gonna have a lot of video competition because a lot of people own them. We prefer to be a big fish in a small pond than little Nemo swimming in the huge ocean. With billions of products for sale on Amazon, selling 54 million every hour, this opportunity is huge. Millions of products have no video, so you can dominate this at home with your kids whenever the heck you want. We focus on items over $100 in the good categories. It's all a math game. If it sells for $8 and it pays 3%, you only make 24 cents per sale. But if it sells for $200 and pays 5%, you make $10 per sale. You sell 5 a day and you just made $1,500 in extra income for your family from just one product. Seasonal items can do really well, so focus on what's selling right now. Go review it, but diversify so you make sales every day no matter what time of the year it is. We had a Christmas item that made us $8,711 in 1 month. Do not underestimate the power of reviewing seasonal items. It's definitely not get rich quick since that doesn't really exist, but it definitely adds up over time. I guarantee you have done much harder work for much less money. Things you should not do. Do not buy items on Amazon to review them, then return them. This really hurts small Amazon sellers like ours. Amazon will shut down your account for doing this. It ain't worth it. After you post a decent amount of videos, you're gonna have so many sellers reaching out to you, wanting you to do reviews for them. It sounds awesome, right? Tons of free Amazon products. But if you say yes to every product, it's gonna become a job and it will not be fun anymore. So only say yes to high dollar items, stuff you'll actually use, or items you can donate to people in need. It does take the same amount of time to do a $5 item review as it does a $500 item review. So remember, your time is money, so don't waste it. Make sure you disclose that you got the item for free or got paid to review it to follow Amazon's rules. We have been able to bless a local women's shelter for domestic violence victims with so many brand new free items thanks to reviewing Amazon products. My mama always says, the more you give, the more you get. So I highly suggest helping as many people as you can doing this. Look at you, since you stayed until the very end, I'm gonna share with you 3 places that are free to sign up and they're gonna send you free products to review. I have links you can sign up for them in the description. Here they are. Thanks for watching today's training on how you can get paid to review Amazon products. If you liked today's video, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more future trainings like this one. Now y'all, go make that money.